Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's vlog is going to be about chrysanthemum planting and care. So these are the chrysanthemum cuttings that I've bought from Merrick. I got it from my uncle, as well as some of them I've collected from my mother as well when I was in Merrick for the past 2-3 days. So this is the potting mix that I'm going to use. It is the regular garden soil, and I have added some cow dung fertilizer, and I've also used the regular dried out leaves, the leaf compost you can say. So now I'm going to use the same old planting bags and the planting pots. So now I'm going to fill up my planters. Here in this manner we have to peel them very properly. See there, so these actually I got them at least 2-3 days before these cuttings. So as a result of it, some of them seems to have been damaged, because I had kept them wrapped up in a paper. So some of the cuttings seems to have been destroyed, the roots seems to have been destroyed. So however, this one looks good, so I'm going to plant this here. So we have to be careful so that we do not damage the roots. So I'm adding some more garden mix. So now talking about chrysanthemum, friends, chrysanthemums are very easy to grow flowering plants. The only thing we need to take care about them is that the planters should be well drained, and we need to keep them in a well lighted area, in a sunlit area, and also it should get a good air circulation as well. So now I'm keeping all these planters here, all my chrysanthemum cuttings here. So here I have at least 24 planters. So this is the manner in which I have filled the planting bags. Firstly, I have used the dried leaves, and then I have added the garden mix mixed with the cow dung fertilizer, because the cow dung fertilizer is the best fertilizer for any plants or for any kind of vegetables. So here so you can see that some of the cuttings have been damaged, like this one. You see, you can check out the leaves there. So I'm going to plant this one. So here I have at least 50 to 60 cuttings, but I'm not going to plant all of them because most of them have been damaged, so I'm going to discard them. So chrysanthemums out here in my place, locally we call them Gadawari, and in Hindi it is also called as Guldaudi. And these flowers, they come in different varieties, in different shapes, in different colors, in different sizes. So here I have at least 2 varieties. So one is the single one, and the other one is the pompon variety. So this I've clicked the picture after 4 weeks. Yeah, and so far they are showing a very good sign of growth. So in this panel earlier I had kept the chrysanthemum planters, but I removed them and I had kept the marigold planters there because they were flowering so well. But now as all the marigolds have stopped flowering, and so now I'm going to replace the marigold planters with the chrysanthemum planters. So I'm just cleaning up the panel where I normally keep all the flowering plants. So basically all the flowering plants I keep in the terrace, and whereas the plants, the house plants, the indoor plants, I keep it in the shady part of the balcony. That is what I do. So right now I'm just cleaning up this particular panel so that I can keep the chrysanthemum planters here. So now I'm almost done cleaning. So friends, now I'm done cleaning the panel, so I'm going to place my chrysanthemums here. So these chrysanthemums are at least 2 months old now, and they have grown to be very healthy, and some of the chrysanthemums are also giving buds, so they are almost ready for flowering. So friends, if you want to plant the chrysanthemums or grow the chrysanthemums, then you can follow the same easy steps like I have followed, so you can grow them without much hassle, and they are also one of the low maintenance flowering plants. So you can see here, so now my chrysanthemums are all set for flowering. So friends, I shall keep you all updated with the progress of my chrysanthemums. Please keep watching.